Hey guys, in this video we are working on solving an equation. And that means identifying the value of the variables that will make the equations below true. So I have 4 equations, each with a different operation. So I'm going to use a different inverse operation for all 4 to find the answer. In my first one, I have 15 is equal to x divided by 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my wall down the center, and I can even say what I want my answer to look like, and that's x equals, and I'm looking for the value of x that makes this true. So a number divided by 4 equals 15. Because here I have division, the inverse operation that I'm going to use is going to be multiplication. So I have division using multiplication, and I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. X divided by 4 times 4, those will cancel out. And on this side, I multiply it by 4. And 4 times 15, that gives us 60. Remember, our answer should look like x is equal to 60 or 60 is equal to x. We'll check all of our work after. On the next one, I have e minus 25 equals 50. So I have subtraction. Our inverse operation here is going to be addition, and I drew that line down the center, and I'll add 25 here. I'll add 25 here. We're going to end up, those cancel out, with e is equal, and 25 plus 50, that's 75. All right, on to the next one. We have 8a equals 160. What I have here is multiplication. So my inverse operation is going to be division. And I'm going to draw my line down the center. I want my answer to be a is equal to a number. And in order to get rid of that 8, I need to divide. I'm drawing the fraction bar, which just means to divide. And I divide both sides by 8. So 160 divided by 8, that gives us 20. So here a is equal to 20. And finally, we have w plus 16 equals 48. I have addition, so my inverse operation is going to be subtraction. I draw my line down the center. I'm looking for what's w equal to. I subtract out, that's 16. I subtract out, that's 16. Here it cancels out. And here I get 32. Now I can go in and check my work for each and every one of these, and let's do that in a different color. All right, is 15 equal to 60 divided by 4? Remember now, instead of this x, I'm plugging in 60. That's my answer here. And I do get that 15 is equal to 15. I can check off my work. I know it's right. Here is 75 minus 25 equal to 50. And 75 minus 25 is 50 is equal to 50, so I'm good. Notice that each time I'm doing this second step where I'm actually finding the value of what I plugged in for. Here I have a is equal to 20, so is 8 times 20 equal to 160? And I do see that 8 times 20 is 160, and that is equal to 160, so I'm good there. And now finally, I'm running out of room a little bit, is w plus 16 is equal to 48. Is 32 plus 16 equal to 48? And yep, 48 is equal to 48. Remember, each time when you check, really do go through and do that math, because that's the only way you're going to see if the answers work out. So 4 different operations, 4 different inverse operations, and I solved for the variable in all of them. All right, enjoy, and see you guys in the next video.